Presenting the Auto Butler Customers for Life program. At your service.
We understand that your time is valuable, so we are thrilled to offer Auto Butler's premier paint protection and reapplication program so that you can keep your car looking as exceptional as it does today without the hassle of regular home maintenance. You can rest easy knowing that Auto Butler's premier paint protection is backed by a 5-year warranty and includes reapplication every 6 months. We'll take care of your reapplication during your routine maintenance, so you won't have to worry about a thing. This revolutionary concept protects your car from oxidation, discoloration, loss of gloss, fading, tree sap damage, bird dropping, acid rain, and industrial fallout. Here's what you need to know. The finish on your car appears to be perfectly smooth. In reality, that finish is made up of a few thin layers of paint covering often imperfect metals. If we were to take a closer look at these layers, we would find that those imperfections are magnified by collections of dirt, salts, and other deteriorating acidic agents, atmospheric elements that are unavoidable. Auto Butler's premier paint protection fills in imperfections like these so that you can benefit from a smooth, strong, transparent coating that acts as a guard to prevent your top layer of paint from becoming dull. After your vehicle is fully detailed by our experienced team, Premier Paint Protection is applied to your car's exterior in a 2-step process. First, our on-site Auto Butler technician will apply a specially formulated product to your vehicle that will remove any leftover microcontaminants. The Buff and Shine machine will gently massage the painted surfaces with thousands of soft buffing strips. Think of it as a day at the spa for your car. Next, the process is repeated with the high-tech protective product that bonds the cross-linked copolymer agents together to form a seal against the elements. The end result is a high-gloss, durable shine that lasts for months. The Buff and Shine machine is guaranteed to provide consistency, free of swirls, streaks, and scratches. You can expect to enjoy that new car shine for years to come.